Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Spanish Daily. For today's phrase, we're going to be talking about being fed up with something or being annoyed with something. Now there's a lot of things that anger a lot of people, and sometimes when you want to explain that to somebody, you'd say, I'm tired of this, or I'm fed up with this. The way you would say that in Spanish is estoy harto de, and then you would say what is bothering you or what you are mad at. So for example, you could say, estoy harto de mi trabajo. I am fed up with my job. Estoy harto de la ropa sucia. I am tired of the dirty clothes. Estoy harto de mis suegros. I am fed up with my in-laws. Now, as I stated in a previous video, sometimes when a word ends in an O, it means it is the masculine version of that word. For example, in this phrase, harto is you being fed up with something as a male. Females would be harta. Estoy harta de, and then everything else pretty much follows. Again, the phrase is a 3 simple word phrase. Estoy harto de for masculine, or estoy harta de for feminine. But that's it for this video. I like to keep these short and simple so that they stick a little bit better. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Me or somebody else will be able to help you with that and help you learn Spanish today. Thank you for sticking till the end of the video, and as always, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.